Hello friends, the previous week was fabulous for our market after an excellent union budget like never before, as promised by the finance minister. Before anyone could realize, markets were considerably off pre-budget lows. Last week, trading started on Monday with a similar kind of optimism to dock fresh record highs. However, though there was no real momentum in the move, in fact, the index kept oscillating within a slender range throughout the remaining part of the week. Despite some intraday volatility, the index managed to maintain its positive posture and eventually ended the week by adding another 1.5% to the previous week close. As far as the price action is concerned, it can be constructed as a breather after the previous week's marathon rally. Although the bears tried to take the charge, all attempts turned unsuccessful. So despite having some fatigue around highs, market was not willing to surrender at all and hence slipped into a consolidation mode. Now taking a glance at all-time frame charts, we are unable to see any kind of observations. Hence, 15,300, 15,000 is likely to be seen as a crucial range, and the breakout on either side should ideally dictate the direction. But in case of an upside breakout, we would avoid aggressive participation because as of now, we do not see Nifty going beyond 15,450 or 15,600 in the same leg of rally. So we would continue to advise booking profits if Nifty entered this mentioned zone. On the flip side, the action below 15,000 would be an interesting point to participate in. In this scenario, a healthy profit booking towards 1460 or 14,400 cannot be ruled out. Ideally, next couple of sessions would be quite crucial and probably we should be able to get an idea where market is heading in the near term. During the week, there was only stock-specific activity seen in the market, but honestly speaking, nothing was not convincing enough. So the pragmatic strategy would be to wait for some sort of trend deciding action, and then one should be looking to place aggressive bets. Thank you.